Hello and welcome to TuxTech Academy, Jamshoro. My name is Mansoor Ali and I bring over 15 years of experience in the IT field. Throughout my career, I have seen countless students struggle in the university courses, especially in computing technology, simply because they lacked a strong foundation in computer basics. Did you know that 80 to 90% of students who enter a universities have little to no knowledge of computers? This gap often leads to poor performance, particularly in tech-related fields. That's exactly why I felt the need to establish TuxTech Academy. At TuxTech Academy, we focus on empowering students with essential computing skills with a strong emphasis on Linux-based education. Whether you're looking to become a system administrator, network expert, web designer, programming coder, ethical hacker, DevOps engineer, data analyst, graphic designer, or SEO expert, our courses are designed to set you on the path to success. We offer a range of courses from 2 to 8 months tailored to meet the needs of both beginners and those already studying at university. Our goal is to ensure that you not only excel in your classes but also stand out in the competitive IT industry. But my vision doesn't stop at our physical campus. I am committed to making these courses available online so students from around the globe can benefit at a low cost. Initially, we offer physical classes and a YouTube channel for easy access to our courses, but together we will build this academy into a global platform for struggling candidates everywhere. If you're ready to take the next step in your IT career, join us at TuxTech Academy Jamshoro. Let's build the future of technology together, not just here, but worldwide.